If all the scientific advancements would have been used for humankind's good purposes and benefit, then the world would have been a beautiful place. Book title 21वीं सदी का गंगा अवतरण, Ganga's incarnation in 21st century. Ever wondered if all the wealth and technology is bringing us the happiness we all are after? If not, how can we achieve this happiness? Most of us today are deep into technology. Our success is measured more by materialistic things we own, such as latest car, phone, etc., while traditions and spirituality are considered a sign of backwardness. Science has taken over religion. Scientific development aims to make us happy, and all efforts are taken in that direction. But if we contemplate, has science achieved to increase happiness index of the world? We are witnessing an era of wars for power, conflicts for scarce natural resources, emerging new illness, food that has become poison, and tainted relations. In this kind of environment, how can one remain happy? How did our world turn from heaven to hell? Nobody has any clue except the wise. It looks like what was given to us was not appropriately utilized. However, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and that light is right thoughts. And there is an urgent need to spread those thoughts everywhere like wildfire. The author is a seer and a wise sage who knew how to resolve this grave situation. This book not only discusses the problem but gives excellent solutions. As thoughts are powerful tools in today's world, the author has written around 3,200 books covering almost every topic in easy language, and the cost of these books is kept so low that everybody can afford it. The author worked all his life in bringing about this thought revolution and established Shanti Kunj Ashram so that people worldwide can come and become wise by following the protocol he has given to us. He has designed 9 days training program for self-contemplation and written numerous books on solution to existing problems. One can say that the ashram is a knowledge hub of the world where there is solution to every problem. Like the Indian historical story about how the river Ganga came on this earth to purify the earth and satisfy the needs, the knowledge revolution for the 21st century has started to change. In short, this book talks about resolving the issue, and it's must read for all those who believe in a better world and who are willing to sacrifice and do something toward this end. Few excerpts from the book. Divine energies are within us. By self-refinement and social service, that divine energies can be invited within. Arjun and Hanuman got guidance from these higher sources. Countless humans got this opportunity, utilized it, and felt privileged. Yug Nirman Yojana, numerous beneficial social activities are not the result of a single man hard work, but the guidance by that supreme energy that those programs started became widespread and eventually succeeded. Teams for uplifting the general public keeps on going from Shanti Kunj to everywhere. These teams spread awareness and give inspirational and heart-touching lectures to the masses. There is a good demand for these teams, and it is so important. However, a trained team member is local too in every region. These selfless volunteers devote 2 to 4 hours every day to contacting people, and they advise them by giving them the proper knowledge. Few topics from the book. Waste amidst scarcity of resources, what an irony. Need of the hour. Initiation and spread of experiment. Development of social reformist team. coordination between science and religion, enlightening every home by Deep Yagya, good result of this sacrifice, arrangement of training camp, most significant revolution of our time, women empowerment, upliftment of masses by thought revolution, operation by divine energies.
Thank you.